Hey Albert, hey track fans, welcome to track 89, and we've got part 3 of Paul's experiment. We've been making the last 2 tracks and this track for a big track fan and his kids called Paul. They are great, live in central England, and what he said was he had a small amount of space, so we've made some tracks that he can make in his space with his kids and have a great time. So part 3 on the track today, welcoming back for another debut, is the Honda Civic BTCC. So, let's get it. Let's drive, track fans. Let's drive straight up and into an R2 round, whip round, past the pit lanes. Look at that and into Gambon, up through Bentley and around the fast side. Little wiggle there. This is going to be a fast track when we boot it down that side. Let's take it easy into Gambon. Always tricks us, doesn't it, Albert? Always tricks us. So, what we don't know then, track fans, is that Albert received his very own hairpin this week, or last week rather, as this gets published, and he is going to be a track fan extraordinaire, flinging it off the cars, being punished like we get punished here at Gambon Corner on the R1 turn right there. And we've been punished. We said it, and it punished us. So let's get back to it on the outside perimeter now, and long whip round there up in through a Hammerhead. If we were to make Hammerhead a bit of a drift circle, Paul, that would be epic. But I don't know how much space you've got this side or that side or that side. Although I have overspilled a little bit, my friend, I thought it would be okay. Just take out some middle bits. Just take out some sections and it'll fit if it's too long. So here we go, around Gambon, up past Bentley there, around the perimeter, long straight, very fast round there. Let's get a little pit. Oh, we missed the pit stop. We missed the pit stop. Should we try it when we come in again? I'm back to holding the camera while driving. I tried the last time to do the whole thing, but I got a lane change. I'm in completely the wrong lane to do it, so let's get back around here. Lane change is back. He's in the pit for a pit stop. There he is. There he is. We see the GTE is in repair. We've got the Mini Cooperman there. Paul, it's lovely. And some stuff. Right, let's drive. Let's carry on. We're still in the race. Oh, we've stopped on the pit. I think something was coming out, and we've been punished again by Gambon. There he is. Shoots around there. Right, let's do a little bit of driving rather than tell you about the track. Into Gambon, round through Bentley and up and around the perimeter, down the long straight at the pole position and into Hammerhead through Bacharach. Get stuck again on the pit lane. I'm going to get out of this pit lane. Right, coming in for a lane change. You ready? Way, lane change. Well, Albert, I think that's what you might need soon. Get it on your Christmas list, mate. Let's start building the Christmas list of happiness. Slot car action coming in. So, what's the plans for the week? Have we got tracks being built? Are we working? Are we schooling? Are we not working? Are we avoiding school? Who knows? But as long as we've got some track action, a nice distraction, a little bit of geometry, will help with the maths, I tell you. Not that we need them anymore when we leave school, but you do. Everyone says that, but you do. You need to work out how much money you're going to get paid in a job. That's maths, guys. That's maths. Anyway, so what we'll do, we'll bring her out for one more lap because it's quite a standard, straightforward track. Lovely track. Oh, hang on. The guys in there, I forgot to mention, socially distanced. This is a Corona safe VIP area. Oh, we got stuck. Over the long side. Get the noodle out. Deploy the noodle. There we go. Let's bring it into pole. There it is, track fans. There it is. See you soon, Albert. See you soon. Welcome back, Albert. Hey, track fans. Right, we got the Honda Civic BTCC in the garage on the bench, and we're going to have a look inside. First, let's have a quick look around the beast. I like it. Do you know, one thing that I did like about the BMW previously is that it had the detail, the printing Dunlop on the tyres. I like that. I like those little flashes of detail where you don't expect them, like pink wing mirrors, pink branding on here, pink wing mirrors. Oh, I've just lost my light over here. Oh well. Pink on the spoiler, it all works. It's a really nice car. So let's get inside. Let's get under the bonnet. Here we go. Ta-da! We've got the driver's arms here. He's half man, half car. Can you see that there? That's the driver, legless. Okay, put that there. He shouldn't have been drinking on the track. Right, so let's have a good look in the car. To get my pointer. So what have we got then? Let's get this in focus. Hang on. There you go. So we've got guide plates. Useful. Feed to the bushes. These power cables here come all the way back into the digital chip and then back to the motor. So this spit it out, Pete. Digital chip, there it is. Talks to the lights, comes down. We have found out what this is. Nice one, Paul. Capacitor. Isn't even a resistor or a transistor, a capacitor. And then we've got some backlight LED action going on there. Gearing is plastic, pinion, gear, and then wheel bushes, or I'm not sure what the correct term of them are. I might watch some more Scalextric videos and find that out. Anyway, so there you go. A nice round up to the car. Hang on, I missed it. There it is. Magnets. So some people don't like them, some people don't mind them. It depends on your level of ability or your level of enthusiasm, really. So I'll leave it there. I'll say goodbye. Let's check out the outtakes. See you in a bit, Albert. Take care, track fans.